SANY certified used equipment. Rely on the comprehensive full process control system. Redefine the value standards of used construction machinery. Every certified used equipment adheres to actual meter readings. Complete service history. Leverage data from systems such as CRM and EVI. Verify actual working hours and manufacturing years. Track the maintenance and service records of critical components. From a transparent one vehicle, one file equipment history report, strictly reject any false labeling.
我们做认证二手机，第一关就是车源。每台挖机进场前，我们都会核实车辆来源、年份、工时和维保记录。只有车源清楚、信息可追溯，才可进入后续认证流程。
From the year of manufacture to working hours, from major repair records to handler usage history, from core components to exterior details, we classify equipment into 4 grades: A, B, C, and D, based on their condition. We conduct rigorous selection and evaluation for all equipment sources. The SANY Certified Used Equipment Intelligent Evaluation System. Reference OBD to read dynamic data and historical fault codes of core equipment with real-time performance and health diagnostics, while also integrate factors such as year, hours, condition, and market trends for price evaluation and residual value management. During the inspection phase, each machine must pass initial inspection and adjustment, performance testing, delivery inspection, and final certification acceptance. The inspection covers the engine, hydraulic system, electrical system, undercarriage system, working attachments, cap sealing, and air conditioning performance. Over 100 key checkpoints in total. We have established 3 major professional refurbishment platforms: the Hainan Smart Refurbishment Center, the original factory official refurbishment center, and the standardized 6S refurbishment base. Provide comprehensive protection for the quality of certified used equipment. When certified equipment enters our professional preparation workshops, in-depth inspections, precision fault diagnostics, and core component quality checks, full repainting, load testing, every procedure is executed in strict accordance with original factory standards, restoring the equipment to a renewed level of quality.
整改不是简单的翻新，发动机、底盘、液压、电器这些关键系统都要经过检测、诊断、修复和验证。设备不达标，不会进入最终交付。
The final grade is determined based on the equipment's condition, performance, and refurbishment results. SANY certified used equipment has established a 3-tier remanufacturing system. Match diverse customer budgets, working conditions, and usage needs. Ensure every customer obtains the most suitable equipment. Provide global warranty services for SANY certified used equipment. Offer coverage for up to 3 months or 500 operating hours. Cover 3 major core components: the engine, main control valve, and hydraulic pump. We create value for customers through high-quality service. Provide rapid, professional, and proactive support throughout the entire process. SANY certified used equipment also offers customers a variety of flexible services, from high-performance, reliable new machines to cost-effective, quality-assured certified used equipment. From convenient equipment rentals to comprehensive maintenance solutions covering the entire machine life cycle, we provide flexible, efficient, and problem-free one-stop solutions tailored to our customers' budgets, operating conditions, and specific needs. SANY certified used equipment ensure a transparent past with authentic records, protect the present with professional care, connect to the future through value management, achieve full life cycle protection, safeguard every purchasing decision.